Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I've been thinking a lot about all the changes in my life lately. I know you have experienced many changes too. Do you have time to chat about it?
Of course, Emma. I always enjoy talking about life. What kind of changes are you thinking about?
Well, for starters, my job has changed a lot. I recently started a new position at a small marketing company. It is very different from what I did before.
That sounds interesting. I remember when I changed my job last year. I went from working in a big office to a smaller company. It was hard at first, but I learned a lot. How do you feel about your new job?
I feel excited and a little nervous. I like the new challenges, but sometimes I worry if I will do well. However, I am learning many new skills. The work is creative and fast-paced.
I understand. When I changed jobs, I felt the same way. At first, I was scared because everything was new. But after a few months, I became more comfortable and even enjoyed the new challenges.
Yes, I am trying to focus on the positive side. My boss is supportive and my team is friendly. I feel that I can grow here.
That's great, Emma. Support at work is very important. I now believe that every change in a job helps us become stronger.
Besides work, my family has also changed. My younger brother is now a teenager, and he is growing up very fast. He is busy with school and sports, and I sometimes miss the days when he was little.
I understand, Emma. My family has changed too. I got married last year, and my wife and I have started thinking about our future. It is a big change, and sometimes challenging, but it is very happy.
Congratulations on your marriage, Daniel. That is wonderful news. I am happy for you. How is married life treating you?
Thank you, Emma. Married life is very nice. We support each other and share many responsibilities. It is not always easy, but we communicate well and try to solve problems together.
That is very important. I believe that strong communication makes any relationship better. I try to talk to my family and friends openly about my feelings.
Yes, communication is key. When I have a problem, I talk to my wife or my close friends. It helps me see the situation in a new light.
Speaking of friends, I have also seen some changes in my friendships. Some friends from high school are busy with their own lives, and I have made many new friends through work and hobbies.
I know what you mean. I have lost touch with some old friends, but I have also made many new ones. It is normal for friendships to change over time.
True, I sometimes feel sad when I remember the fun times we had in the past, but I also enjoy the new friendships. I try to keep in touch with old friends by calling or meeting for coffee.
That is a good idea. I often meet with my old friends on weekends. We talk about our past and our current life. It feels warm and nostalgic.
Yes, it does. I remember our school days so well. We had so many fun moments, like the school trips, the sports events, and the little jokes we shared in class.
I miss those times. High school was full of laughter and simple joys. Now, life is more serious, but those memories make me smile.
I feel the same way, Daniel. I try to keep those memories close to my heart. They remind me of who I was and how far I have come.
It is amazing how much we change over the years. Every new experience teaches us something, whether it is a good change or a difficult challenge.
Absolutely. I have learned that change is a part of life. Sometimes we must leave our comfort zone to grow.
I agree. I once had a very difficult time when I lost my job, but that failure taught me to work harder and find a better opportunity.
That is a strong lesson, Daniel. I think every challenge, even the painful ones, helps us learn and become stronger.
Yes, and sometimes we need to look back at our past to appreciate our progress. I am grateful for every change that has brought me here.
Me too, Daniel. I now try to embrace change rather than fear it. It has taught me to be flexible and open-minded.
That is a wonderful mindset, Emma. I think we should always be proud of our journey, no matter how difficult it may have been.
I agree. I also try to share my experiences with others so they know they are not alone when facing changes.
Sharing is important. I often speak with my colleagues and friends about our struggles and successes. It creates a strong support network.
Yes, I feel that talking about our life changes helps us heal and move forward. I try to remind myself that every ending is a new beginning.
That is very wise, Emma. I believe that our past, with all its ups and downs, prepares us for a better future.
Indeed. I also think that being honest with ourselves about our feelings helps us grow. When I am sad about a change, I try to write down my thoughts in a journal.
I do that too. Writing helps me process my emotions. I often write about my successes and my failures. It makes me more aware of my journey.
It sounds like we both use our experiences as lessons. I also try to celebrate small victories, like learning a new skill at work or having a good day with family and friends.
Celebrating small wins is very important. It reminds us that even small steps lead to big changes over time.
Exactly, Daniel. I also try to plan for the future. I set small goals for myself, like reading one book a month or learning a new recipe. It keeps me motivated.
That is a good idea. I set goals at work and in my personal life. I try to learn something new every day, even if it is just a simple tip or a new word.
Life is full of changes, and each day is an opportunity to improve. I feel that every experience, even the difficult ones, makes us stronger.
I completely agree, Emma. I am thankful for the changes that have taught me to be more patient and resilient.
Thank you for this heartfelt conversation, Daniel. Talking about our life changes makes me feel more positive about the future.
Thank you, Emma. I enjoyed our chat very much. It reminds me that we all grow and change, and that is something to be celebrated.
Let's promise to keep in touch and share more of our experiences. It is nice to know that even as our lives change, our friendship remains strong.
I promise, Emma. I look forward to our future conversations and to meeting again soon to catch up on our lives.
That sounds wonderful, Daniel. I will send you a message next week so we can plan a coffee date and talk more about our dreams and plans.
Great. I am excited to hear about your new projects and share more about mine. Until then, I wish you all the best in your work, family, and personal life.
Thank you, Daniel. I wish you the same. Have a fantastic day and take care of yourself.
You too, Emma. Goodbye and see you soon.
Goodbye, Daniel.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.